I'm Wendy from Shiny Happy World, and I am going to show you in this video how to assemble the cute little puffin applique pattern. Here's how to do it. Okay, this is the video showing you how to assemble the puffin block using a light box. So first, my light box setup. I've got my light box turned as bright as it'll go. I have a tempered glass cutting board here. You don't need this. My ironing board is a long way from where I have all my lights set up for recording, and this allows me to carry it over there, and I never have to shift my pieces. Since it's tempered, I can fuse it right on the glass, which is nice. I've got a placement guide, and I have a clear silicone sheet. I've got all of my pieces cut out and prepared, so that means I have printed them onto the paper side of paper-backed fusible adhesive. I use Heat and Bond Light in all of my quilts. I fuse it to the wrong side of the fabric and then cut all the pieces out on the solid lines. So you're going to see a number of dotted lines inside the pattern pieces. You can ignore those. Those are placement guides, and they're just there for people who are not using a light box. But there are also some solid lines inside the pattern pieces, and those you do need to transfer to the fabric side before you peel this paper backing off and you lose that guide. These are stitching lines, and you're going to stitch on them. You're going to stitch over these lines with just plain black thread when you're all done, and they're just little detail lines. So the little creases around the puffin's eyes, and also a line in the middle of the beak. So we're going to transfer all of those solid lines. And then we are ready to go. So we are going to start with piece number 1, which is the body piece. So the numbers tell you what piece is what, and they also tell you in what order you're going to lay these pieces down. So we're going to start with piece number 1. Go. Okay, piece number 2 is his chest. He's got a little contrasting white chest. And then number 3 is his face. There we go. And then 4 and 5 are the different colors, the different layers of color for the beak. So we're going to start with piece number 4. Lay that one down. And then piece number 5 covers the edge of piece number 4. And you want to get the line of the smile. I didn't do a great job transferring that yellow one, so I have to shift it a little bit, shift the orange to make it line up better. And then the last piece is number 6, and that is just his eye. All right, now I'm going to carefully take this over to my ironing board, fuse all these pieces together, let them cool, and then peel them off the silicone mat, and then I can fuse them to the quilted block, and I'll do all of the outline stitching and then bring it back here and show you the finished block in this color, and also 2 other versions that I made in 2 different color palettes. Okay, here is one finished puffin. I'm going to show you a couple of other versions that I made using different colors. So this is a version I made in really soft colors. These are all from the Sea Breeze collection, and this is for an Arctic Animals bundle that I'm putting together, where all of the colors are from the from the Sea Breeze Blenders collection. So a much softer pastel kind of version of a puffin, and I did one more. So this one is another more realistic puffin. I've just got different backgrounds for the different bundles that I'm putting together. So that is how you put together the puffin pattern. You can get the pattern at shinyhappyworld.com. I'm Wendy, and I will see you next time.